Look at that one. Did you see the one up in the bush?
Was that being brought back?
That's a lot of fish.
I was say, how do they have enough room to swim and not bump into each other? Dude, that many hippos.
I thought it was funny they were like in a line on each other.
Okay.
We'll be hot.
Yeah, I did that. It looks like the dad.
Here you see the ducks. Oh wow.
The babies. There's 4 of them.
One falls off, you go get it. You go, hey, you get back up there.
That's really neat.
Let's go, we're gonna find the gorilla.
Oh.
Look at its feet.
What? What? What do you want?
Look at the feet when they swim.
That is so cool.
So black. Yeah. Hey, Belly, let's see something. Yeah. Because the water distorts
Neat.
your body's there. Hey, boy.
Turn around, Thomas.
Sí, con esta ropa que tienes te hace de goma. Oh, your head's going.
There you go. Nice little kid friendly, right? That's probably a little cool thing.
Oh, do you want to go home? Do you want to just go home? What is that thing?
If you look at the overlook out there on the grassy area, you'll see a little antelope called a gurnook. The word gurnook means longer giraffe-like neck. And then if you look out there beyond the wood pile out there, you might see that big black and white bird that's standing up. That is a marabou stork. The stork is over 5 feet high and with an 8 to 10 foot wingspan. Your next stop, the gorilla outpost, you might see the family group of western lowland gorillas. Remember, when you're around the animals, be very quiet. Animals go down and can be yelled at, whistled at, or waved at. Why do you want it?
And they are called knuckle walkers. They walk on their knuckles because the tips of their fingers are very sensitive. Now they live to be about 40 to 50 years in a protected environment like this, but only 30 to 40 years in the wild. That's because of habitat destruction and poaching. These animals are still poached to make for their bushmeat. They are in danger. One way we can help protect this is by donating to the Disney Worldwide Fund. For every dollar you donate, Disney will match your dollar with dollar. You can do this at any shops in the park and they'll give you a buck. Each
gorilla.
Anybody have any questions?